In the world of luxury fragrances, the scent is only part of the allure. The bottle that contains the perfume plays an equally pivotal role, often becoming a piece of art in its own right. Custom-produced designer perfume bottles are not just containers. They are a crucial aspect of the product's identity, carrying the personality and style of the brand or celebrity behind it. Our team of designers at the Palace of Glass offices in California is here to help you conceptualize and create visual renders of your product. And then deliver top-quality perfume bottle of your dream. A well-designed bottle is a visual and tactile representation of the fragrance inside. It's the first thing a customer notices, even before they get to smell the perfume. A distinctive bottle can become iconic, synonymous with the fragrance it holds. Specializing in the creation of unique perfume bottles, Palace of Glass offers a blend of artistic vision and technical skill. Once the concept is finalized, our team moves towards creating detailed sketches and renderings. We recommend to use 3D printing technology to create a physical prototype of your bottle. The styles of bottles we can create vary from cast glass, which offers a sense of depth and texture, to laser-cut and engraved bottles, which provide precision and intricate detailing. Our production team at Palace of Glass understands that a perfume bottle is more than just a vessel. It is a story. These bottles do more than just hold perfume. They communicate the essence of the brand. It's important to understand the process of creating a custom perfume bottle, as well as other additional elements that your bottle will require. There are different kinds of stock glass material that can be used that will affect the overall look of your product. Variants of your product can have different coloration of design elements, like caps or boxing. Important part of your bottle will be the pump with the spray system and a cap that goes on top. Often caps are made from decorative plastic and become an integral part of the brand design. Sometimes roller tops are used for deodorants. Custom-shaped bottles can leave a lasting impression. Consider various shapes of perfume bottles when designing for certain age groups or demographics. Consider launching your product as a set of custom bottles. For smaller orders, we can customize standard-size bottles with branded labels. Designing the right cap for your bottle is just as important as the bottle itself. It's also another way to add variety to your product. Once your order is complete, we will provide a detailed visual report and arrange for packing. Carton boxes are then secured into wooden crates for safe transit to your destination. Contact us today regarding your project for a free 30-minute consultation.